Today, I'm going to show you how to cook delicious, juicy and crispy karaage chicken. It's pretty simple, so please give it a try. First, cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, use fresh if available, and just shred them finely. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then mix it all together well. Mayonnaise has oil and vinegar in it, which helps the chicken stay soft after cooking and cooling down. Leave it for about 20 minutes at room temperature to let the chicken absorb those flavors. After 20 minutes, it's time to coat the chicken with starch. I'm using tapioca starch, but you can also use potato starch. Remove any excess liquid, then coat with tapioca starch. Tapioca starch is pretty sticky. I think potato starch is easier to work with. Heat the oil in pan with medium heat. Before you put in the first batch of chicken, check if the oil is hot enough by dipping the chopsticks in with a little bit of the mixture on it. You'll see bubbles straight away if it's ready. And then it's fine to add the chicken pieces. Leave the chicken for a while. While I'm waiting for the first batch to cook, I go back and coat the rest of the chicken. The cooking time may vary, but mine took about 1 minute and 30 seconds for the first side, and 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the other side. I'll press the chicken to see if it's cooked thoroughly. If it's firm, that's a good sign. It will continue to cook after removing from the oil. Nice golden color. Skim the frying scraps from the oil before adding the next batch. Do the same things for the rest of them. Karaage is super popular in Japan, and you'll find it on restaurant menu across the country, in convenience stores and supermarket delis, and it's often cooked in households as a family favorite. According to a survey conducted by Norin Chukin Bank in 2022, which asked 400 elementary and middle school students in the Tokyo metropolitan area about their favorite home-cooked meals, the results were: first place, hamburger steak; second place, Karaage fried chicken; and third place, Japanese curry. And if you want to know how to cook hamburger steak or Japanese curry, please check out my other videos. I always cook a lot of them and keep them in small cups and then freeze them for future lunch boxes. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. If you press the bell button as well, you won't miss my new videos when I upload them. Thank you. またね。
ごちそうさまでした。